Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a character in OpenArt. So this will help you generate AI art characters for creative projects. So first, you will have to, of course, log into your OpenArt account. And once you're here, you will have to go to the Create section, which is right here, and go ahead and click it. And you will select character from this list. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is choose a style or template for your character. So go ahead and click quick templates and you can choose from this. So for example, I would want this style or template. So just click that. You click your desired template and go ahead and click create. And by the way, 20 credits will be charged once you pick your template, but it really depends on the template that you've chosen. It can vary. Sometimes it could charge you for 40 credits or so on, or more or less. So yeah, it really depends. So make sure to pay attention clearly on how many credits you will be charged for. So again, after you have chosen your style or your template for your character, you will just have to customize features like your hair, the face, the clothing, the accessories, and so on. Then after that, you will just have to click generate to create the AI character, and then you can just download or save the character for your project. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video helped. And if it was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.